I just started recording. Okay, this is 7:19 on Sunday, May 12th. So I decided to do the replication task and also decided to actually rewrite my code a bit. So previously, what I was doing is like I was just adding some replication string value, probably. If I go into walking tree, I think I would be able to see. Yeah. So here, I was just making a variable for replication, a map variable where I stored role, replication ID, and offset, and then I passed it. Uh, so now I made a struct data structure using that, and I'll be also storing master host and master port. So there will be a lot of new variables coming inside this replication data structure. I'll be adding it all here. So that is about the new task in Code Crafters. Let's see what the new task is. Okay, so I just passed it. I was trying to refactor my code and then I just started doing the task. I didn't realize that I hadn't started the video. So now I think I should just, after I'm finished with the task, I think I should explain what I did for future references so that I don't forget actually what I was trying to do back then. So this is a series in which I learn Go, and the task is send handshake 103. In this task, basically, I will receive a ping and I have to send some pong or um, basically replica. If it is made, it will send a ping. So I have to make a connection function. So this is a handshake class. If you can read it, I think this is mostly, it is telling that if you receive a command such like port replication of and master host and master port, you'll be connecting to the master host and master host and port. So once you are connected to the master port, you will send a ping, and that will basically in what we call it, will receive a response in something called Redis structure. It is kind of Redis command that comes after that, and we'll be testing it on here. And this is the Redis command that we received. So yeah, so let's put this task into perspective. Okay, so post the task. The previous task was to just create a just send the replication and get the role and offset value. But in this task, what we are doing extra is we are connecting to a once we are creating the variable. Let's go on to the main code. Once we have connected with the variable, replication will be after we are done adding all the elements to the data structure, we are just sending our code to connect to master. And in this connect to master, basically we are connecting to our ICP, dialing the TCP protocol with the same address as master, host and master. And then if this response is correct, it will send a ping. This ping is sent via this response, and we'll read the response. So I'm not passing in the response, but basically we are just printing it. We don't have to do anything with the response. And return nil is normal. We don't actually use it. We can just remove the code as well. Okay, and what else did we change? Yeah, we changed the parse args. So a major code structure that we changed in this and like cycle was how we passed our variable previously. So previously, if I go into this parse args, previously what we were doing is we were running a for loop with +2 increments, and we were checking if replication flag is present or not. And post that, we were just letting storing our master and slave and into one variable and just to connect to TCP, and we were doing a +1 so that it iterates to two variable, because I thought that with replication, if you have a replication flag on, we'll receive two what say arguments after that stating the host ID and the port ID, but actually it gets sent into just one parameters, like split it with a space. So what we are doing is we are just storing the next argument here, and once we have we are done storing, we'll basically split the arguments into two. It's going to here. We are we splitting. I think in master function, connect to master. No, we are not splitting here. let's see. Okay, in the first for loop we are splitting. Yeah. So strings dot split replica and with a space. And once this is splitted, we are using the part 0 as host and part 1 as port. And once we are done, we are just connecting and dialing the port address and sending a ping and receiving a response. That was a task for this handshake protocol. And for the next handshake protocol, basically we'll be configuring this ripple config twice to master. Okay, it sends this command twice. So basically we'll have to write a command here, I guess. So yeah, that's it for this video. I guess I'm storing this video just because I made some changes to my code and I didn't want like if I visit this video next time, I should remember what did I do for the particular step. Yeah, let's run it. Let's see if it actually works out or not. I run it one time. Oh, missing argument. Why? I didn't change anything. Why? Did I change anything? Return nil. And this is okay. Did return nil change anything? No, yeah, it did. Okay, actually, now we are done passing next stage. Let's submit the code. Yep, done. So we'll mark this stage as complete. Let's go on to next stage. Why is it running test? Now in this stage, we'll have to send a REPL config file twice. After receiving a response to the ping, the replica sends two REPL config commands to the master. Command is used to configure replication. Replicas will be send this. We'll send this command to master twice. Listening port number. First time it will send like listening port. This replica notifying the master of port is listening on. Second time it will send seg2. This is a replica notifying master of its capabilities, kappa in short for capabilities, and you can safely hardcode these parameter capabilities for now. We won't need to use them in the challenge. Okay. So basically, wherever I'm pinging the master, okay, here's the ping command. I guess I need to write two more commands here. Should I make another function of it? These are the two commands that I want. This is one command. This is the next command. Okay. Sending these two commands. Let's try one method first. This normal method. Wait, should I be doing like this? I think we should better create a function. Send a ping, send a command. Let's see in another video.